Hi, Marina Kurdzakova with XP Realty. Selling a house in today's shifting market is a challenge. The increased inventory has given buyers more choices, and now they are not willing to overlook that the house is in need of some repairs or remodeling. If you're considering doing renovations, before putting your house on the market, you need to know which ones will bring the most value for your money. According to 2022 Remodeling Impact Report prepared by National Association of Realtors, when it comes to internal renovations, you will get the most value for your investment by refinishing or installing new hardwood floors. When it comes to external renovations, you will get 100% return on your money by installing new roof and a new garage door. Please keep your receipts and list of renovations for marketing and tax purposes. It would be a good idea to consult with your local real estate professional about which colors and features of a house are most popular with buyers. Do not hesitate to reach out to me. I will be happy to help you.